The 1958 Fiat 600 Multipla Mirafiori stands as one of automotive history's most exclusive factory shuttle vehicles. Gianni Agnelli, head of Fiat, commissioned exactly 5 examples to transport VIPs and dignitaries around the Mirafiori factory complex in Turin. Today, only 2 survivors remain in existence. Built between 1956 and 1958, these specialized vehicles started life as the standard Fiat 600 Multipla, a rear-engine, rear-drive microbus only 20 inches longer than a Mini Cooper. However, the Mirafiori versions received extensive Coachbuilt modifications. The chassis was lengthened and widened to accommodate 6 passengers comfortably across 3 rows of seating. Each of the 5 examples featured distinguishing details unique to that specific car. The coachwork came from different renowned Italian carrozzerie. Car number 5 was built by Carrozzeria Boano, while other examples emerged from Carrozzeria Savio. The Boano Commission's success led to Mario Boano's appointment as head of special vehicle design for Fiat, where he worked under legendary engineer Dante Giacosa. The most striking feature was the panoramic glass roof, extending nearly the entire length of the vehicle. This massive greenhouse allowed unobstructed views during factory tours. The roof was completely removable, converting the 6-seater into an open-air roadster, essential given the 767 cubic centimeters, 29 horsepower 4-cylinder engine provided no air conditioning capability. Wooden bumpers wrapped around the body, adding another unusual touch to these factory showcases. One example remained hidden, with a Fiat manager for 30 years after retirement from service until 1995. That car underwent restoration and became the first Mirafiori ever offered publicly when Gooding & Company auctioned it in January 2016. The pre-sale estimate ranged from $150,000 to $200,000. It sold for $143,000. Another example surfaced at Automotive d'Epoca in Padua during October 2017, finished in pale gold with original paint showing age. The asking price was €35,000, and it sold quickly despite showing wear on chrome and a cracked roof panel. American collector Stuart Parr now owns both surviving examples, maintaining them in exceptional condition. These tiny Italian factory shuttles represent Agnelli's commitment to impressing visitors with purpose-built vehicles that blended functionality with unmistakable Italian style.